Hello guys, hope you are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn about creation of VirtualBox host files or server blocks. Server blocks are basically added to configure a domain on Nginx server. So in Nginx server, if you want to configure multiple domains or single domain, you need to configure a virtual host or server block. So let's start. I have a fresh Linux server installed with Nginx. Let's start with configurations. As you see, Nginx is already running. So let's go to configuration directory. It's there in etc nginx. We can see a directory conf.d. Let's go to conf.d ls. There is currently no configuration here. So let's create a configuration file. Let's assume that my domain is example.com. So I am creating a file named example.com.conf. So the file content will be like that. We are going to define a server block to listen on port 80, its default port and default server. Its root directory, deployment directory will be default. You can change it whatever you want. Here are the default index files: index.html, htm. You can also add index.php if you are going to deploy PHP project. The location will be slash, and if it's failed to find index file or client is trying some other extension, a 404 error will be thrown to it. Alright, let's close the file and save it. Now we are going to test the configuration with Nginx-D. It's saying that syntax is okay, test is successful. Now you can reload the service. Systemctl restart Nginx. So to test this configuration, I am going to put example.conf in my host file to resolve this domain on local server. So I'm going to add it in my host file. Alright, example.com is added. Now I can ping it example.com. It's reachable on my local host. Alright, let's review the configuration again. Here we need to define the domain example.com. So this virtual host or server block is now mapped with my domain example.com. Let's restart Nginx again. Now I need to check if this domain is accessible or not using curl command example.com / index.html, the index we added in the configurations. So it's saying not found because we have not deployed any index file yet. You can see we need to deploy index file here. Alright, let's go to this directory and deploy index file. I am going to create index.html and I am going to put a test text here. This is a test file. Alright, let's hit again. You can see it's serving the file we just created. So guys, it's very easy to create a server block. You can follow and subscribe our channel to find more related videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.